All right, y'all, here are the directions for this origami that you're going to be working on. So you're going to get this page here, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to color it. This here is our sugar phosphate backbone, and so it needs to be all one color. I don't care what colors you do, so long as it's all matching on your page. So we've got this part here. And I'm not going to color it very well because obviously that would be the most boring thing in the whole world to watch. So, also if you need to borrow some markers, those are located in the blue bin next to the fish tank. You know where to find them. Make sure you put them back. In years past, this has been the most difficult thing in all of biology for people to accomplish, and you'll figure out why shortly. I'm low-key mad / sad that I am not there to watch you all figure out why this is the most frustrating. Okay, now we need to make sure that all of our adenines match up with thymines and all of our cytosines match up with guanines. And you might be looking at this thinking like, what the heck, Owens? How am I supposed to tell which one each is by its molecular structure? And I would say, don't freak out. Find the ones that match and color them the same color. So that one, and then it's going to like mirror on this side. This one, this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, and not those. Okay, so I've got those matched up. I can't really zoom out anymore, but I can show you from the top. Those two, and that one. Okay, now I'm going to pick a color to match with this green. Again, make sure you actually color yours in. Now I'm going to do the other ones. So there, there, there. Oof. Did I mess up? I did mess up. Oh no. This is supposed to be this color. Y'all, I done messed up. This is this color. Good thing I didn't color the whole thing. That one. That one. That one. Okay. And again, orange matching opposite sides. Okay. Now here comes the incredibly fun part. And by incredibly fun, I mean this is the part where you're going to hate me for the rest of your life because I'm asking you to do this. We're going to cut this box out, starting over here. There we go. Now you can see the whole thing. I'm going to snip this here. And then I'm going to do it this way. And then this way. And the last part. So I'm just cutting the edges off, essentially. Okay. Here's my paper now. Alright. Every time I see a solid line, I'm going to fold it up towards me. Oof, my finger looks rough. Every time I see a dotted line, I'm going to fold it down towards the table. So, turn this sideways. Here's a solid line right here. I'm going to fold it up towards me. like that, so it stands up on its side. There it is from like that. So I want that to stand up. Here's one that's a dotted line, so I'm going to fold it away from me. And if it helps, you can unfold that one and then fold this in. Okay, so now I've got both of these folds in, so it should stand up like that. And I'm going to do the same thing for all of these sides. So I'm just going to keep going here. This one goes away from me. You know what the funny thing is? I can picture certain kids in my head being like, this is stupid. I hate all of this. But we won't name names because that would not be cool. Also, if you need to pause the video or whenever, live your dream. Alright, so I folded that one in, so now my page is looking like that. Now I'm going to take this solid line, fold it up, take this next solid line, fold that up. Also, this is the third year in a row that I've done this, so I feel like I've become quite the DNA origami expert. I'm basically a professional. Alright, now I'm going to fold this one away. You can kind of see the line through the paper. Alright, so now I've got this. This part right here should be standing up. You should have made it like elevate. So this is what it looks like. Oh. This is what it looks like from the side, right? It's just standing up. Or like that. Alright, and the last one. This one gets folded away from you. Like that. And then this one gets folded down. So it stays. Perfect. Alright. Once I've got those, now I'm going to grab it from the spine, pick it up, and I'm going to squish it together like a book. Again, from here, I'm going to pick it up, pull the ends together like a book, and I'm going to tuck these ends in like this, so that way it looks identical. And then the side that says front, I'm going to fold these flat like this, so that way the front has the backbone, like so. Alright, now the most tedious thing in the whole wide world. See all these dotted, solid, dotted, solid, dotted, solid lines? All the dotted lines are going to get folded away from you. So this one's going to go here. And then this, well, let's start with the back first. So fold that one there. That one's folding up. That one. Folding it towards me. And I'm just doing the solid lines. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. And that one. Alright, so you should have something that looks like that. Kind of rolled up, right? Now, I'm going to open it back up, go to the front, I'm going to refold all of the solid lines down. So that one goes down, that one goes down. And once I fold it and make that crease, I'm letting go. I don't need to keep it for right now. We're just trying to create the fold so that way the next step is easier. Okay, now I have this hot dog. Go over to the front. Now we're going to fold it like an accordion or a fan. So in towards us, back. In towards us, back. And these are on the folds that we already made. In towards us, back. And if you folded everything like pretty well, it should just kind of start to make a circle on its own. Sorry, let me get that to where you can see it. There. You might need to repinch the edges. So now I am left with this wheel, right? Once I get this wheel all nice, I'm going to let it go. And I'm going to flip the sugar phosphate backbone out so that it's sticking out the sides. And there is my origami DNA molecule. Wow, so pretty. If you look on the wall, let's see if I can flip this camera so you can see it. Do it sideways. Or upside down. Okay, so that's what they look like, and I like to keep them and make chains. So if you would like to donate your DNA molecule, assuming that it came out beautiful, to the classroom decor, please leave it on one of the lab tables for me. Just put them all in the same spot. All right. Hope you had fun. Hope you didn't get super frustrated.